I need a stallion, needs to be on Megan. I need a scissor, cut her like paper. I need a cougar, waist with the taper. Yeah. I need a Georgia, need a Janae. I need Normani to come to my place. I want a Doja, cake by the pound. I need a Lizzo to put that shit down. I need a Ari, let me serenade. Walking out of summer, so far.
What's up, True Beauty fam, and welcome back to my channel. Hello everyone, if you're new, welcome to my channel. Today we are doing a get ready with me. It's going to be a, I guess, 4-in-1. It became a 4-in-1 when my ear tabs decided they wanted to play me last night. So y'all are gonna see hair, makeup, outfit, and fragrance. Fragrance is a new thing that I'm deciding to do just because I see, all the bigger girls do it. And if y'all are interested in what I smell like, because I be smelling good, yeah, fragrance is in there if y'all are interested. So yeah, let's just get right on into the video, because it was a journey. It was a journey this morning, but we made it to our destination, which is looking like a bad bitch, and that's on period. Okay, let's go. Okay, y'all, so as I said, we are getting straight on into it. I'm putting some glue on, and this beginning part of the video was literally all multitasking. As the glue would dry, I would start getting my face together, because I didn't want to be the last one out the house, even though I still was. And I'm using my e.l.f. concealer in the shade Deep Cinnamon. Y'all know this is my favorite concealer at the moment. It's so full coverage, and it has such a great finish. And being that I have such dark circles under my eyes, it helps so much. But as y'all see, I'm using it on my lace because I was trying to get the black. I was trying to subdue the black that was on my lace. So, because I did not have any time this morning. I did not have any time. Okay, y'all, so now we're priming. I'm using the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. Y'all already know it's my favorite. As I said, we were multitasking during this first part of the video. So, I would lay my lace down, go back to my face, and try and get myself together. I decided to set my primer this day just because we were going out, and I didn't know how long we were going to be out for. So, I wanted to be prepared. I was trying to keep my face on. I wasn't going to embarrass nobody out here. So okay, y'all, so we are going straight into concealing. I'm using the same concealer that I used on my lace, just because that's what I used to conceal. And I'm taking the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. This is the matte one, and I'm using that to basically make my products last longer and make sure they don't transfer. Now we are highlighting, and to highlight I am using the same e.l.f. concealer but in the shade Deep Chestnut. To further brighten, I'm taking, again, the same e.l.f. concealer, but in the shade Deep Olive, just because that's the brightest. It just brightens under my eye really nicely. And to contour, I'm using the Black Opal cream foundation stick in the shade Suede Mocha. For foundation, I'm using the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in the shade Marquises. It has such a beautiful finish. Like, this NARS foundation is really undefeated in terms of finish. Like, I love the finish. I love the color. Everything about this foundation is just perfect to me. To set under my eyes and my T-zone, I used the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Powder in the shade Hazelnut. And then I did go ahead and set my face, but I used the Laura Mercier translucent powder in medium deep. And then I did go back and further brighten under my eyes, and I used the Fenty Beauty powder in the shade Honey. Okay, y'all, so I'm doing some eyeliner, but I didn't want to be extra. So, we're going to do a cute little wing, a cute little inner corner flick. Y'all know what I mean? Just because I didn't feel like doing nothing too extra, because I had done my makeup, I think, the day before Mother's Day. So, yeah, I didn't want nothing too much. And this is basically like my go-to every day if I'm going out and I don't feel like putting much makeup on. This is it. For eyelashes, I'm using these I Envy by Kiss lashes, and it's their mink lashes, in the number 11. And for blush, y'all know I love this blush. This is the NYX Cosmetics Sweet Cheeks blush in the shade Summer Breeze. I was not a blush girl until I found this blush. Like, this blush literally changed my life because it's such a pretty shade. I never thought I would be a blush wearer until I got this blush, and I couldn't put it down, and to this day still cannot put it down. Like, she's really that girl. Okay, y'all, so the reason why we're jumping to lips is because I had lost my eyelash, so I had to reapply glue to it. So I was just waiting for it to dry. So while it was drying, I started to line my lips. And this is the Wet n Wild Color Icon eye kohl pencil, and this is in the shade Simmer Brown now. It's just such a pretty brown color, and I love it. I use this on my clients, not this exact pencil, but I did buy two when I bought this one, so it's the same color, just not this pencil that I'm using on myself. Now I'm taking the Fenty Beauty Stunner Lip Paint in Unbutton, and she's gonna be my nude lip. I decided to do a nude lippy just because that's what I was feeling for the day. My look gives very Aaliyah J vibes, I feel like. I just didn't do my eyeliner like how I usually do it. I usually do it very dramatic. But today I decided to do a little more on the subtle side. I wanted to keep her, a little bit classy. And yeah. Okay, so now I'm just cleaning the makeup from where my sideburns are gonna be, because I didn't want to be out here looking crazy with lifted sideburns. So I'm going back and applying glue to where the glue needs to be at, and yeah. I was pulling out hair to do baby hairs, y'all, but then I lost the mousse and couldn't find it. And like I said, I did not have any time. So I was just like, you know what, F it. I'm not going to do no baby hairs. And we're just going to keep her in the no baby hair lifestyle. Alright, y'all, so here is the fit. My top and pants are both from Pretty Little Thing. I will link them down below if they are still available. Alright, y'all, so this is the end of the video. But before I end, I'm going to share what fragrance I'm going to be using today. I'm going to be wearing Anna Sui's Fantasia. I freaking love this perfume. It smells so good. Okay, so as I was saying, I don't know why my camera cut out, but I freaking love this perfume. It smells so good. The bottle is super pretty, and yeah, so I'm just gonna spray some on my wrist. Okay, y'all, so again, as I was saying, y'all saw my fragrance already, so I don't have to say that. But if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and become part of the True Beauty family. I will see y'all on Friday for obviously the second video of the week. I love y'all so much. Thank you so much for supporting me and supporting my channel. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.